Okay, everyone, here, set and show. We're here with one of the biggest guy in town in the whole of P&T, named Mr. Shaw. So, Mr. Shaw, are you sure you are here or not here? Because you're looking at behind my camera.
Sorry about that. They call me Shaw Guy.
Yeah.
My friends call me Shaw Guy, and you
Wait,
want
I'm
maybe
not
I
sure you are here.
I'm actually I'm sure.
You are not sure.
I'm sure.
Yeah, are you sure?
I'm sure.
Are you Mr. Shaw?
I'm sure.
Let's be sure.
I'm Mr. Shaw.
No.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay, Mr.
Okay,
Shaw.
how can I help you?
Yeah. So I've heard about your doings.
Yeah.
How sure is it, and what makes your doing so sure? Maybe your betting are so precise. Your one next bet, you win the bet. So what makes your doing so sure like this?
What happened is when you serve a sure God,
Yeah.
God too sure.
Hmm.
You understand? So
What's his name? What's his name?
he's the sure God now.
Oh,
understand?
yeah, nice
The
one.
God way too sure.
Hmm.
So when you serve a God that is too sure, you'll be sure.
One papa too sure.
Hey, your papa too sure.
Yeah.
Yes.
The guy is really doing. He's paying our too sure.
Wisdom.
Yeah.
Pay your tuition.
So we are very sure about this.
Yeah, we're very
So
sure.
I like your shock. Can I be sure to take it out?
My sure what?
Yeah, can you give me the shock key?
The
Don't shock me. Just give me your shock key.
I can give you my shop key too.
Your
You
shop
want?
key.
Yes.
I like the transaction between you. It's very sure.
He's very sure, brother.
Yeah, nice one. Nice one. So I heard I'm getting married to Mrs. Shaw.
Um,
It got
You
me
know-
shocked when I heard it. Like,
sometimes I'm not sure if I'll be getting tied to
I
married
think,
to Mrs. Shaw.
I think on
But
that day,
Mrs. Shaw with the word Mrs. means she's already
She's
married.
miss.
So she's not sure.
well, I was suspecting something on the day of the marriage. I think the Reverend Father needs to be saying, "Are you sure you want to get married to this lady?" Because it's
I'll be
necessary.
sure now.
You be sure because you're
course.
Mr. Shaw.
Yeah, because
So-
I'm Mr. Shaw.
So yeah, this is Mr. Shaw on the
Yeah.
beat, and we are sure he's here right now, clean and fair. Mrs. Shaw, wow, I am
Mrs.
Mrs. Shaw
Shaw
is
just came
here.
into
She's
the
here, she's here, she's here. Mrs. Shaw,
Mrs. Shaw, come over to the camera.
Why don't
be-
Mrs.
be
Shaw is shy?
You're standing. You're supposed to be sitting beside Mr. Shaw.
Mrs. Shaw, be sure to sit down close to Mr. Shaw. But Mrs. Shaw says she's not ready. She's not sure about her presence here.
Not sure about it.
So let's leave unsure people.
Mrs. Shaw is short.
Yeah, I think she's at the shore. Come to this place. Hey, Mrs. Shaw.
Now this is Mrs. Shaw.
Ah,
I've met my Shaw.
now she's come to shorty you in this short movie. So, Mrs. Shaw,
What do you have to say about this Shaw video?
Nothing much. Just that I'm so excited and very, very happy that I finally met the sure.
Paraben Shaw. Paraben Shaw. You're not sure.
leave her because you know you have to shop.
You have to show.
You have to shop. Now she's coming to meet you. Is it because of the shore money or the shore odd? Which one? Are you a better or a what?
Any sure.
You're not even sure. She's not the right one. She's not sure.
Please excuse me.
How
I'm
will
not
you be
sure.
Mr. Shaw and you not be sure? No. This is an error.
She's not sure.
Madam, please,
You're not sure.
who are you, madam? If you're not Mrs. Shaw, who are you?
That's why they sweat.
Okay, we heard that his child is here. Mr. Shaw, you don't tell me you have a short child.
Yeah, my child is a short girl.
Oh, okay. So, wow. The short child is shy, oh. It's not sure. Your family member are not sure.
Why are you shy?
Mr. Shaw, your family member are not even sure about
This is
you.
my daughter.
What's her name?
I'm well pleased.
What's her name? Shukura.
No, not Shukura.
What is her name?
She's my princess,
Princess Shaw.
and she's sure. Because
She's
her father is sure.
Okay, young lady, are you sure this is your father?
Yes, I'm
Is it because he's sure or what?
sure.
Don't be shy. You are sure.
She's not sure. Mr. Shaw, I prove it to you that these people are not sure about your existence here.
No, don't tell. I put it to you also that this is my daughter, and woman well pleased, and she's sure about it.
Eh, are you sure, lady?
No DNA needs to be checked.
Thank God it's
Because I'm very
DNA.
sure.
I'm talking about DNA. You're talking about DNA. You see, you're not even sure about the test.
Okay, just wait, hold on. Let me put this cap on her.
Okay.
Can't you see the resemblance?
Yes, I say I'm sure now. But the wife own is different. Put the hat on the wife. Let's see.
Okay.
Black and dark. He go big past my head.
You see, I'm not even
I have
sure
a big
this is
head.
her size.
I have a big head. She has a big head.
Your wife has a small head.
has a small head.
Let's question the question now. Who is the mother
sure?
of the child?
Please, the mother that murdered the child.
Please.
Please, the mother that murdered the child. Who murdered the
So this is the Shaw family, and from my observation, Mr. Shaw is not sure that his wife is sure that she got married to him on the Shaw altar, but he's sure about the daughter. Oh, you just got to know about
That's it, bro.
someone is here from a Shaw company called Pokari Sweat. Come, please,
Please, over
this is brother.
to the camera.
Mr. Shaw, come, guy. Brother Shaw.
Those are. Those are.
Brother Shaw, can you come to the seat? Let's see you.
Don't be
Brother
shy.
Shaw.
Paraventure, you are shy.
Brother Shaw, brother Shaw. No, put it down. Okay, brother
He
Shaw.
used to be a Man U fan,
Yeah, he was not even sure about the goals.
and his best player was Luke Shaw.
Oh, so you are the one giving him the Shaw order is winning all these bets.
I used to give him the Shaw odds.
Hmm.
It's not my child. Please.
Brother
I
Shaw.
think this is the doctor in the hospital
Hmm.
when she was giving birth to. This is doctor.
This is doctor.
So I think he needs to explain to us.
This is so mysterious,
Yes.
mysterious and mysterious. Brother Shaw, what do you have to say about this whole stuff?
Well, I would say looking at the resemblance, I mean, this is Mr. Shaw, as you all know.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you can see his daughter, show you the Shaw, so I think there's a resemblance. So this is actually,
Are you saying that you are sure?
I'm sure.
Okay, we are sure about the daughter, no problem. What about the wife? Are we sure about her?
I would say yes, I'm sure.
You are not sounding like.
This is a Shaw program. I don't like the way it's on Shaw.
I mean,
Before you come behind this camera,
Uh-huh.
you have to be sure of your answer.
It's a short DNA
This
program,
is a short interview,
and it's short.
and it's short.
It's short. So why you?
Paraventure, you are not sure.
It's
You
not
don't
sure.
need to be here.
so this is my profession, is not for me to say.
Okay. No, this is a open program.
Rest about
Let me assure you, what I will just see now only 2 viewers. So you have to be playing.
no.
You have
This, don't know where this is going.
it's going to my laptop.
Be disgraced with what we say.
See, let me tell you. In the future, you need to be sure
You need to be sure.
before you come to this short program.
Even
Paraventure, you are not sure in the future. You pay a tuition.
you pay to sure. Yes, we need to be sure that this is your brother. What is his name again?
Or more again. Are you
You are not even sure about your brother's
the
name,
name of my brother?
Doctor,
Is Doctor.
Dr. Shaw.
No.
No,
Doctor Shaw.
Okay, that forget. What's your name, Shaw?
there are so many unsure things about the Shaw family.
We address him as Dr. Shaw, sir.
Shaw, sir.
Dr. Shaw, sir.
I don't believe he's sure. Show me your doctor skills. Do CPR for yourself. Let's see what will happen. Yeah, for yourself. For yourself. Do CPR for yourself. You see, he can't even do a simple CPR. He can't even do it. this guy will kill somebody in the killing of the person. You see? So this
As a family, from Shaw family, I've decided to change my family doctor. But
yes,
it's obvious that he's a quack doctor.
he's not sure. He's not sure about his skills.
He's not sure about his skills.
He's not sure about his skills.
I want my family to be at the
He's
level
sure.
of professionals.
100%.
People that are sure. I
Yes.
can't afford to have
An unsure doctor.
Dr.
Sushura.
Dr. We're not too sure to
Sukura.
handle the affairs of my family. The health affairs of my family. Thereby, you are sacked from being a family doctor.
So my conclusion is that I feel Mr. Shaw is the only sure person in his family. With sure odds and sure everything.
Sure. All.
Then you have
I am
sure.
my daughter.
And your daughter is half sure. She's not full sure. So even though she's going to the full sure, but by then she'll be full sure. So let's just leave it like this.
All right.
So thank
See
you.
you in the future.
One papa too sure.
One papa.